Hello, I'm going to show you how to use the Graph software program to set up a standard 10 by 10 axis with a central axis. First, go to your Start menu and choose the Graph icon. If you don't have a Graph icon, search Windows Web and App for Graph. If you do not see this on your computer, then you should go to this website here, Padawan download, and download the Graph software. It just takes a few moments. I'm going to go ahead and open up my software. And if it doesn't open full screen, then open it up full screen. I'm going to close this center box because I don't need it. You will see the axes choice is chosen right here already. I'm going to double click on the axes. Then I'm going to set my x-axis. It comes up automatically from -10 to 10. My tick unit is what numbers I would like to display on the screen. So if I just slide this over for a minute, you can see right now it's counting and putting a number on every single tick. I would like to have a number on every fifth tick. So what I do is I unclick Auto Tick and Auto Grid. I'm going to change the tick unit to 5 and my grid unit to 1. So I'm still going to be counting by ones, but the number is going to be on every fifth tick mark. I need to click Show Grid. Then I'm going to set the same on the y-axis. -10 to 10. Click off the auto ticks. Tick unit of 5. Grid unit of 1. Show Grid. In the Settings menu, I can give my graph a title if I wish. I can click whether I want it to show the legend or not. This means if I type in an equation and Show Legend is on, it will show the equation in the top right-hand corner. I can change the location of the equation, or I can click it off altogether. In the font color, I like to change the axis color to black. So I'll go ahead and do that. And my grid color also to black, so that if I decide to print this on paper, it will show very well. If it's on blue, it will be very light when I print it. I also like to change my number font to size 14 font. This makes the numbers nice and big, especially if I want to copy and paste my graph into a Word document. Then I go ahead, I can save if I wish to default, so it will do this setting each time I log in. And then OK, and there you go. Now you will notice that the grid squares are elongated. I can take my mouse and just move it here over this line until I get the double arrow, and then pull it, and I can experiment with this a little bit. Pull it until it's closer to square grids. So that's how we set up a standard 10 by 10 axis in the Graph program.